Inspect before you connect. Always inspect fiber end faces before making any connections to avoid damage to your equipment or the network. If you're unfamiliar with this process, please watch the fiber inspection and cleaning video available here. Step 1. Making connections. Connect a 30-foot jumper to the OBS. For the T-BERD 8000, connect a 30-foot jumper to the COM port. Or, for a T-BERD 6000, connect a 30-foot jumper to the dispersion module. Use a coupler to join the OBS and T-BERD jumpers together. Note that CD and AP referencing only need to be performed every 6 months, or when using new jumpers, or when you encounter unexpected errors for CD. PMD referencing is not needed or required. T-BERD 8000 Step 2 Reference Setup. Press the Home hard key, then tap CD, AP, and MTEL icons on the screen. The icons will turn yellow once they are activated. Press the Results hard key. At the bottom of the screen, tap the MTEL tab. Verify that the output is Out B. At the bottom of the screen, tap the CD tab. The screen may show a message, Tuning. Wait until the message disappears. This takes approximately 1 minute. Press the Setup hard key, then tap Take Reference. Tap Yes. Enter the OBS serial number in the field provided. Press the Start-Stop hard key. T-BERD 6000 Step 2 Reference Setup. Press the Home hard key. Then tap CD and AP icons twice. The icons will turn yellow when they're activated. At the bottom of the screen, tap the CD tab. If the screen displays a message, Tuning, wait until the message disappears. This takes approximately 1 minute. Press the Setup hard key. Tap Take Reference. Tap Yes. Enter the OBS serial number in the field provided. Tap the Start-Stop key. Optical broadband source testing operations. Press the green power button. When prompted by the operator, select the appropriate application, PMD, AP, or CD. Press Active to turn the light source on when requested by the operator performing the test. Advance to the next test by pressing the application key again when requested by the operator. When the test is complete, press the Active button again to turn the source off. Step 3. Reference Operation. After starting the reference, tap Yes when Take Reference appears on the screen. A bar graph will appear which displays signal strength and progress of the test. Step 4. Results. Once the reference is complete, you will receive a message, Valid Reference. This means that the CD reference was taken successfully. Go ahead and tap the AP tab and repeat Step 3. Once you receive Valid Reference again, CD and AP references have been completed successfully. You are now ready to start testing. Thank you for watching.